Hi, this is GS from uoe.org, University of Online Education. Today this session we are discussing about arithmetic operator. In previous session I given introduction on operator. I mean what is actually operator and types of operators. At the time types of operators I told you there are four types of operators: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator and logical operator. So today's session we are going to take depth look on arithmetic operator. The title is arithmetic operator. What is an arithmetic operator means? The arithmetic operator is used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modules. I mean so we can say that arithmetic operator is used to perform for addition or multiplication, subtraction. So its properties are: open arithmetic operator features is addition means plus, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modules. So these are the properties of arithmetic operator. I mean using these features it perform some calculation, some mathematical calculation. I will show you one example. Suppose I have one variable a having value with 10 and I have another variable b having with 20. So using this arithmetic operator I am going to perform some action. Suppose if you take first property as addition. So if you print this statement means this addition of a and b is $C. I am saving this file in my server. I am creating one folder called operators. This is arithmetic operator .php. So I'm going to run this. As I told you before, running PHP script we have to start a XAMPP server. My XAMPP server is already started, so I can run directly localhost / operator folder name and introduction. I had see XAMPP htdocs. Here operators. Okay, so okay, I think I saved directly in the root folder. Yeah, just copy this to the operator, open this. So I created one arithmetic operator addition. Using plus is used to perform to add two variables. So I saved that arithmetic operator file in operators folder. So if I run this file means here it is arithmetic.php. next. Let me check. It has to print the statement echo. Why it's not printing? Okay, here this title is not closed, that's the reason it's showing. Yeah, so if you see here, I mean, previously unfortunately we removed this tag, so itself it is containing displaying output in a header part. So if you see here, means here itself we are seeing this output. I mean, that is the output of addition body, because unfortunately we missed a tag here, so it consider entire output in header part. So I closed this one, so now you can view this output in body part. Yes, so so this is an output of a and b, and I'm going to print that variable c. This is the output of is $c, means, yeah, I mean, if you see here, I use this is one example. By using this arithmetic operator addition, I added two variables. And also if you take about minus, and break this, and another action is dollar a minus b. I mean, right now I'm separating by using arithmetic operator called minus, so the output will be subtraction is $c. I think I already used a variable c, so I am using this as d. If you see here, you can see that this is the output of a and b after subtraction is minus 10, because 10 minus 20 is minus 10. I mean, this by using this arithmetic operator we can perform some mathematical calculations tasks, and another operator is multiplication. So dollar e equal to dollar a. You can see output as dollar e. I'm going to break the statement. If if you see here, the output of A and B after multiplication is 20, because 10 into 20 equal to 100. I mean, using this arithmetic operator, we can perform this mathematical action. Another operator is division. $A divided $B. So if you see this output, I want to add break statement. If you see the output of the A divided B means the output is 0.5. So we can also perform division. And another one is modules. What the modules means, it is little bit a different operator. I mean, it will print the output after the remainder of division. Suppose, let us assume that I have variable called 5 and another value called 2. I mean, if I perform this operator by using module means, it will display output as 1, because after division, if 2 is divided by 5 is divided by 2 means the remainder will be 1, so output will be 1. A and B after module, after performing modules operator is $G. I mean, if you see the output means, I want to perform break. Output is 1. What here it is means, module will display the output after remainder of after division. Suppose if I have 10 and I have something like B as 4, I mean if you can say 10 division by 4 means it will be remainder will be 8, because if you see here, the output will be 2. What here means, after division 10 divided by 4, the remainder value is 2. So the modulo operator display the remainder after a remainder value after the division. So these are the five operators, supporting operators of arithmetic operator. By using this arithmetic operator, we can perform some mathematical operations. Mostly in our applications, we use such kind of operators, because in our application will contain some addition, multiplication and subtraction. So we can say that arithmetic operator is one of the useful operator in PHP. By using this is a sample example to show you how actually arithmetic operator works. And in coming session also, I mean, when we discussing with when we going depth into PHP, definitely we will use this kind of operators repeatedly. At the time you can get a very brief idea on these arithmetic operators. So this is about arithmetic operator in this session. Thank you.